Hello everyone, I'm the Auto Expert and welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an incredibly exciting vehicle to talk about, the all-new 2026 Hyundai Custin. Hyundai has once again pushed the envelope by combining state-of-the-art technology with impeccable design, creating a vehicle that seamlessly integrates futuristic aesthetics with outstanding performance. The Custin immediately catches the eye with its aerodynamic silhouette, enhanced by bold, sculpted curves that not only serve an aesthetic purpose, but also improve airflow and overall efficiency. At the front, the car's distinctive LED headlamps and refined grille command attention, setting a tone of modernity and sophistication that hints at the technological marvel underneath the hood. Underneath this striking exterior lies a powertrain engineered for both performance and efficiency. The 2026 Hyundai Custin offers a next-generation turbocharged engine that delivers responsive acceleration and dynamic performance, while an optional hybrid system further elevates the driving experience. Hyundai has meticulously tuned the chassis and suspension, ensuring that the Custin offers a balanced, engaging ride through every twist and turn. With advanced adaptive suspension and precision steering, the car responds beautifully in urban conditions, as well as on the open highway, giving drivers the confidence and control that the modern road demands. Technological innovation is a hallmark of the Custin. A cutting-edge digital cockpit and an intuitive infotainment system form the command center of the vehicle. Drivers enjoy seamless connectivity through a user-friendly interface that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring that navigation, communication, and entertainment are always within easy reach. Over-the-air updates keep the vehicle's software current, while integrated connectivity features like the built-in Wi-Fi hotspot maintain a direct link to the digital world. This forward-thinking approach means that as technology evolves, so too does your driving experience, without the need for frequent dealer visits or manual upgrades. Hyundai's commitment to safety remains unwavering. The Custin is equipped with an extensive suite of advanced safety features, including autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. A comprehensive array of sensors and cameras provides a panoramic view around the vehicle, minimizing blind spots and enhancing driver awareness. These systems work in harmony to create a secure environment, whether navigating busy city streets or embarking on long journeys. Every safety component is designed with precision to ensure that both driver and passengers are well protected under all circumstances. Inside, the 2026 Hyundai Custin offers a refined, driver-centric cabin that prioritizes comfort without sacrificing functionality. High-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and thoughtfully positioned controls make for an inviting interior that is as luxurious as it is practical. Ambient lighting and an advanced climate control system further contribute to a sophisticated atmosphere, ensuring a pleasurable ride regardless of the weather conditions outside. Eco-conscious design is also evident in the use of sustainable materials throughout the cabin, a nod to Hyundai's commitment to reducing environmental impact while delivering superior quality. Performance and efficiency are seamlessly interwoven in the Custin's design. The hybrid system is not only engineered to reduce emissions, but also to optimize fuel consumption, proving that eco-friendly driving does not have to come at the expense of performance. Rigorous testing under diverse driving conditions has confirmed that the Custin stands up to the highest standards of reliability and durability. Whether you are navigating congested urban roads or exploring scenic country routes, this vehicle promises an engaging and secure ride, enhanced by a host of technological innovations designed to redefine modern motoring. Hyundai's vision with the 2026 Custin is clear: to create a vehicle that is as smart as it is stylish, as efficient as it is exhilarating. With its innovative powertrain, advanced technology suite, and unparalleled commitment to safety and environmental responsibility, the Custin sets a new benchmark in automotive excellence. This model not only responds to the demands of today's drivers, but also anticipates the needs of tomorrow, embodying a forward-thinking design philosophy that paves the way for the future of mobility. Stay tuned as we continue to bring you detailed updates and comprehensive reviews on the most exciting developments in the automotive world. For those eager to experience the all-new Hyundai Custin firsthand, Hyundai is offering exclusive test drives at select dealerships as part of a limited pre-launch campaign. Don't miss out on the opportunity to witness the perfect blend of style, technology, and performance that the 2026 Hyundai Custin has to offer. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to The Auto Expert for more in-depth looks into the vehicles that are driving the future of transportation.